For MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.5. The size of this update is around 8.56 GB. In the update description, they mentioned that it comes with bug fixes and security updates for the Mac. So I started downloading the update, and once it was complete, I installed it. In the previous update, Apple added some new features to the MacBook. The one feature that I'm still using even today is the charging cutoff option. After the previous update, I didn't face any major issues on my device, while some others were facing problems like battery draining, overheating, freezing, etc. Let me know in the comments how yours is. I'll share any issues I notice after updating this and using it for a while. Update wise, it's honestly nice to see even the first generation of M series MacBooks getting updates on time. This particular model, the M1 Air, was released back in November 2020, but these days update quality seems to be missing the mark. Coming back to the update, it took around 17 minutes to complete the installation. After a few days of using it, my MacBook is running normally. There are no issues like abnormal heating, app crashes, or bugs that I observed. Charging cutoff is the first feature I enabled, and it's running currently well. If you have updated your MacBook and found any issues, feel free to share them in the comments. It will really help others too. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button so this video reaches more MacBook users, and I'll see you again in the next one.